Hi, this is Tejpal,
Hi, I'm Shari.
and together we have co-created a workshop that is called Shift Happens. And right now, what we want to talk about is one element, which is how people relate to pain. And usually, what happens is when people are in pain, they do two things that I notice a lot. One, they either overanalyze their pain and they try to understand or then to blame somebody for that, and or they run away from it and they go into addiction or distraction. Perhaps you experience other things also with your clients?
Yeah, I think that there's an avoidance also at times to actually look at the pain or to almost accept it, I guess, in a way, or make friends with it, right? So I think what we are hoping is to be able to explore that in our workshop, right? To be able to embrace the pain in a new way, to not avoid it, to actually kind of look at it differently, right? That's where the shift is.
Yeah, exactly. And so they change their relationship with fears at that moment. The fear is not overwhelming. And so that's one of the elements we're going to help you. So come join us. We can't wait to work with you.